Welcome back, children. Now there are two other imaginary lines that are drawn above and below the equator. I have told you and have shown you with the diagram. The line in the northern hemisphere is called the Tropic of Cancer. I have told you and I have shown you, and the line on the southern hemisphere is the Tropic of Capricorn. अंडरस्टूड नाउ ड्यूरिंग द रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ, जब अर्थ मूव कर रहा है किसके अराउंड में, अर्थ के अराउंड में, व्हेन द अर्थ इज मूविंग अराउंड द सन, सन के अराउंड में मूव कर रहा है, व्हेन द अर्थ इज मूविंग रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन, इट्स एक्सिस ऑलवेज रिमेन इंक्लाइंड. इंक्लाइंड मीन्स वो टेढ़ा है, टिल्टेड. इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस, वो टेढ़ा है. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज टिल्टेड लाइक दिस. अर्थ्स एक्सिस इज लाइक दिस, नॉट लाइक दिस, सीधा नहीं है. It is inclined in one direction. Now, in the picture shown above, the sun is exactly overhead on the Tropic of Cancer, in which the A, now this picture again, which I was explaining you. Okay, which I was explaining you. Now, here, in the picture shown above, now this picture, okay, the sun is exactly overhead. A picture को आप देखो यहाँ पे, ये this one. The sun is exactly overhead on what? ये तो इक्वेटर है, ठीक है. दिस इज इक्वेटर, दिस इज एक्सिस, वी नो दैट इट्स टिल्टेड, एंड देन वी हैव ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न here and tropic of cancer here. So we can see that the sun is exactly overhead on the tropic of cancer. जो हमारा सन की जो हमारी जो सनलाइट है, सन रेज है, वो यहाँ पे इस पोर्शन में डायरेक्टली पड़ रही है. आई टोल्ड यू दिस एंड आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑल्सो, इफ यू हैव सीन. सो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पड़ रही है, तो इस पोर्शन में हमारा क्या होएगा, समर. जो हमारे जो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर है, यहाँ पे कौन सा सीजन होगा, समर. यहाँ पे होएगी हमारी गर्मी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सन डायरेक्टली पड़ रही है. यहाँ पे सन स्लैंटिंग वे में पड़ रही है, तो यहाँ पे होएगी विंटर. ठीक है, हियर विल बी विंटर. Then, now coming to picture B, now this one, B. Understood? Now here, this equator, now Tropic of Cancer and equator indeed. Now this here is this one. यहाँ पे हमारा जो सन की रेस है वो इक्वली पड़ रही है. So we have here equal day and night, and we have which season here? We have season autumn. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ना गर्मी होती है ना सर्दी होती है. ऑटम के टाइम पे हमें ना गर्मी लगती है ना ज़्यादा सर्दी लगती है. So we have equal days and night. हमारे पास in summer we know that this days are longer and the nights are shorter, and in winters we have shorter days and longer nights. Understood? We have shorter days and longer nights. But here we have equal days and night. Then similarly हमारा अब ये एक्सिस तो टिल्टेड ही है, वो इसी तरीके से अर्थ इसी पोजीशन में यहाँ तक आता है. जब यहाँ आता है we have equator and then we have ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. अब यहाँ पे हमारी सन की रेज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के ऊपर डायरेक्ट पड़ रही है. देन this portion will have summer and this portion will have winter. Understood? Now this portion, northern hemisphere, we have winter and this we have summer. Understood? Here we have smaller days, shorter days and longer nights, and here we have longer days and shorter nights. ठीक है. Then coming again here in this position, here we have spring season. अब यहाँ पे भी डायरेक्टली सन मतलब पड़ रही है, इक्वल डेज और इक्वल नाइट. हमारे यहाँ पे इक्वल डेज और इक्वल नाइट होंगे. यहाँ पे ना ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी ना सर्दी होगी. दिस आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. ओके, नाउ दिस पोर्शन you can now yourself read and you can understand from this video which I have explained you. अभी जो मैंने आपको explain किया. Now what are the effects of the seasons? Seasons and their effects. The 4 seasons in our country are summer, rainy, winter and spring. The weather is different in all the seasons. It affects the lives of humans as well as other animals and plants. Summer is hot with dry or humid conditions, so we try to keep cool in summer. We stay indoors under fans, coolers and air conditioners. We drink juice and wear light cotton clothes, obviously. And unlike winter, what do? When it's very, very cold, our body cannot cope up with very hot or very cold weather. In winter, we wear warm woolen clothes and enjoy hot drinks. We like to sit in the sun to warm ourselves during the day and use heaters or fires at night. The change in the seasons also affects the behaviors of animals. Many of them like to sit in the water ponds or under shady trees in summer. Yes, obviously, because they are also living beings. In winter, some animals burrows into the ground to warm themselves. That is hibernation. कुछ winters में क्या करते हैं? Long sleep के लिए चल जाते हैं. That is called as hibernation. We have done that. Now coming to the next. Okay, the growth of plants is also affected by the changes in the season. Some plants, mainly trees, shed their leaves in the autumn and remain bare throughout the winters. Now in autumn, क्या होता है? It affects humans also, it affects animals also, and it also affects plants also. Many of the trees, they shed their leaves in the season of autumn and then they remain bare. वो पूरे विंटर्स में, पूरे सर्दियों में विदाउट क्या रहते हैं? लीव्स. वो पूरे बेयर लेते हैं. फिर जो न्यू लीव्स वो कब ग्रो करते हैं? दे ग्रो न्यू लीव्स इन स्प्रिंग. ओके, जब स्प्रिंग सीजन आता है, जो अभी आने वाला है. नाउ इट्स गोइंग टू कम आफ्टर द विंटर. जो स्प्रिंग सीजन आएगा उसमें दे विल grow new leaves. Some small plants do not flower in the summer. They wait for the rainy season to do so. They wait for the monsoon. Now we have also relations between festivals and heavenly bodies. Now in India, which is the country of festivals, many Indian festivals are linked to the sun, moon and seasons. Holi comes in the spring season and on the full moon night of Falgun. Okay, on the full moon night of Falgun. Now similarly, Baisakhi, Pongal and Lohri are linked to seasons. The name of the days of the week in India are after planets. You might have heard about Budhvar, let's say Shukrawar, Shanivar. These are all after the names of the planets. Like Budh is Mercury. Okay, now Venus, Shukra, and then Shani, I think Saturn. Okay, Brihaspati is Jupiter. Okay, these are the names of the planets. These are the names of the planets, which the names of the days and the weeks are after these, the names of the planets of the solar system. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you so much, children. You can do the in-text question, these in-text question and the back exercises. Okay, and I will share the answer keys in the class group. Thank you so much, children.